Hi YouTube. This is another video trying to test the gas control valve body, especially the solenoid. I've seen many videos on YouTube that shows you how to test Honeywell control valve. So I borrow the idea and do it on White Rogers model. Basically, they are the same. Like if you know the fundamental operating principle, they are the same. So this model is White Rogers 222 blah 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 blah. And this is the how the valve looks like. There's only two pins. There's no ground pin. But if you look at the circuit board, the ground is actually down here. The valve body itself is the ground. So the first test I'm going to do is resistance ohm test. So ohm 0 ohm. So the pilot solenoid 9.5 and the main solenoid 16.3 ohm. So probably the pilot solenoid is bad, or it's not, there's not enough resistance. Maybe the coil gets short out or something. So the second test is what the clicking test. So I have this battery 9 volt. For one-man operation, I already cleaned the negative. So I put the negative plug into the body. So gas valve is off.